Hi Frenchies! J'espère que vous allez tous bien. I hope everybody is doing well. Today we are in New York City for the Fashion Week. But first off, before starting this vlog, we have to eat because I'm starving right now. J'ai la dalle de ouf. So I found this little cute coffee shop and I got a mushroom poached egg tartine, which looks just like super yummy. It's kind of a breakfast lunch vibes slash snacky goûter because it's already 4 p.m. Oh, it's really good. Why I'm here in New York for the Fashion Week? I have a friend, a really good friend that I didn't see for like over 10 years. Damn, over 10 years. I cannot believe that. She has a brand of haute couture, so a fashion luxury brand called MAHAUD, and I'm going to put the website on the description below. She is creating every dresses, every piece of her collection by herself, and I cannot wait to show you what dress I'm going to wear, la robe que je vais porter, mais aussi le spectacle, le show. I cannot wait to show you everything. Je pense que ce week-end va être dingue. So the big days are tomorrow and Sunday, because Sunday is the MAHAUD show, which I just can't wait. But for now, I'm heading to the French Consulate because first of all, I love the people that are over there. They're super nice. Second of all, I really want to speak in my native language, and I think like everybody can understand me on this point. But also this place just looks like a French palace and it's just like so beautiful. I'm going to show you the little secret of this French consulate. Let's go. Okay, I'm like 15 minutes late to the consulate. But do you know what we say when we have 15 minutes late in French? C'est le quart d'heure toulousain. 934. Elevator. Ooh, whole school. Love it. Apparently one of the oldest elevator in New York. Wow. Look at this. It looks like you are in a castle. That's why you call the fireplace room. Hi. Nice to meet you. Wow, guys. I really feel like I'm in Versailles. This little thing behind me is from the 18th century. So guys, this building has been built in 1925. France bought it in 1942. Unfortunately, with the war, they couldn't move in until 1952, so 10 years later. And my friend just told me that we had to see some secret rooms, so let's see what she means. So first, guys, we have the first secret thing here, which is a secret stairs. So apparently, guys, this is like the secret office of everybody. I mean, nobody come up here. Never been up here before. What is that? So this is like the main secret room. Wow.
This is where he receives guests and where we have meetings, where he works.
So he works, the general consul, the consul general, I don't know how to say that in English, guys, sorry, works here and does all his meeting here. Is Macron came up here? Macron was probably somewhere here. I definitely love America. Like, Americans are so joyful, so communicative, so friendly. I'm on my way to try on the dresses from MAHAUD, and I'm just so excited. And I love the fact that I can bring you with me for this little cool adventure. I just arrived here at the hotel to see the collection and the outfit, and I'm so excited. J'ai hâte because I don't know, this is my first time and I feel like a little, I don't know, I love it. I cannot even find my words anymore. This is amazing. Hi. Hi. Whoa, is that it?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at the fabric, guys. It's actually like really thick and really beautiful. We're going to try this on. I cannot wait. And if I have to tell you something about this brand, so MAHAUD, it's a French brand. So it's an upcycling brand made of, everything is made of old socks and old tights, which is just super cool because it gives you like a little bit of transparency, a little bit of I'm the woman here. Let's try this on. I'm not going to lie, this is one of my favorites. I really like the shape. I really like the frou-frou. I don't know how to say that in English. Frou-frou. But it's really cute. I really like what's going on over here. I love it. Let's go, guys. Walking 20 minutes with my high heels is not something easy, guys. Not something easy. Look at where the show is going to happen. Showtime! Can't believe it. We are guest designer and we have to go on the line. Do you know who I am? This is my first time and I cannot believe it.
Ta bouche béant coquelicot attire les baisers. Ton sourire peint de fleurs fait chanter le bonheur. La femme d'aujourd'hui aime être jolie à tous les âges de la vie. La femme de demain, éternel féminin. Douceur veloutée d'orchidée, légère et parfumée.
I'm so proud. It was beautiful. Are you proud?
A lot.
All right, I found my friend Mathilde, who's the creator of MAHAUD Paris. Before the show, you talk and it was a really beautiful poem. But what is the story behind this poem?
This poem was wrote by my grandmother, and she passed away last year. I want to honor her through this collection, and the poem she wrote was about flowers and women, so we wanted to recreate her garden with the clothes. For this collection, I worked in collaboration with Adeline. She's a silk painter. We collaborate together and on the colors, on the volume of the flowers, on the shape. And yeah, it was really, this collaboration is important because it creates like something really special with a lot of emotion. Our clothes are made with unsold socks and tights. We found these socks and tights from different French brands and local brands or factories. So everything in our collection are upcycling.
MAHAUD just did the show and it was just beautiful. I had tears in my eyes, if you want me to be honest. The show was wonderful. She was actually in association with a painter, so it's all like moitié peintre, artistique, and also like really delicate the way MAHAUD does every time. And I'm just so glad to see my friend succeed. I'm so glad to see her being like proud of herself and being able to do whatever she likes to do in life. The way she did her clothes and she made everything, it's amazing. And knowing that it's only upcycling socks and tights, it is just amazing to see. That's a lot of amazing. I feel also super blessed to be here and a part of MAHAUD today. So hopefully you liked the vlogs, hopefully you liked the little interview and you like to see the collection. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. Also, if you want to have more information about MAHAUD Paris, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. And that's it. What do we say when we end the vlog? À la prochaine. Ciao.